So I was in the mood for some curried shrimp, and I decided that I was going to make some curried shrimp. So I wanted to show you how I made this delicious meal. Let's go. I got my shrimp from Aldi's, 2 packs, and here I am just putting it out in the bowl. And although, they said you can cook it just like that, I like to still put lemons on mine and let it sit for a little bit. Here's all of the ingredients that I'll be adding to my curry. Gotta add the coconut milk for flavor. So now I'm just seasoning my shrimp with my own special green seasoning, some onion powder, some oregano leaves. Be generous with it. Jeera, of course, and some curry powder. And now I'm just gonna let it marinate. Mix it all together, let it marinate. And that's how it's looking. Beautiful and delicious. Can't wait to cook it. So now it's time to cook the sauce. Start by adding the onions. I like to use fresh garlic, but this time I just used the garlic paste. Added my jeera, add my green seasonings, 1 cube. And I just stir everything up and let it cook for like maybe a minute or so. And now I'm just mixing everything together. Added the curry and added some more onions. And added my potatoes. And I'm gonna let my potatoes cook. Now that the potatoes have been cooked enough, I'm adding my seasoned shrimp, a little bit more jeera. I like a lot of jeera in my curry. Coconut milk, of course. And I'm just going to let that cover down and let it cook for a couple of minutes because, shrimp doesn't take long to cook. And I'm stirring everything, tasted it to make sure that it's tasting good. And the curry was cooked, and then it's pretty much done. And now I'm just going to have it with some rice. And that's pretty much how I made this curry shrimp. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know. Bye.